Hey y'all, I'm ducking down to get into the frame. So I've decided that in order to just kind of, well, I guess maybe produce some more content. People have been asking me where the heck my videos are. I can't always come up with necessarily things scripturally all the time, but I thought I would just give you a little bit of another window into my life. Um, and some of the things that I do to try to make a difference, because I look at it this way: there are two ways that we can vote. Check that out, because that's some serious stuff right there. That's why we all need to be voting. But there's another way that you can vote other than just go cast your ballot at your local township hall, and that is with our dollars. And this is one of the ways that I vote with my dollars, because this used to be Cause Box a couple years ago, and then they switched to this All True. But what this is this helps small business people, and especially disadvantaged women. Some of the products that come from here are not only fair trade and organic, but some of them help victims get out of trafficking and different domestic abuse situations. And so, we have a choice on where we're going to spend our dollars all the time. And this comes quarterly. I'll be honest with you, I can't quite remember. I think it's like $250 for the year subscription. But you get 4 boxes. And let's open this up. Let's see what this quarter's box has to offer. So again, it's All True. This is cool. They give you this little booklet, and it tells you all about your products. And okay, so here we go. All right, I get an empty something. That's interesting. No, I'm just kidding. I think this actually probably went in there. All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay, so this is Lash and Brow Enhancing Serum. I have no idea how it's going to work. We can talk about that later, but this is Moon Boost Luna Nectar. And I'm excited to try this because I don't know about you guys, but as I age, my eyelashes kind of non-existent anymore. All right, let's see what else. Replenish. Oh, Lord knows we need this one. Intensely nourishing hand treatment. All right. And then in a second, I'll tell you, which, well, let's just see. So, all right. Give me just a second. And, all right. I'm really just open. Okay, the replenishing hand cream. Oh, I guess this just tells about it. Well, anyway. I mean, not that that's not good, but I thought it was going to, tell us who it helped. It might. I know they do. Well, anyway, I guess I'm not going to figure that out right this second. Okay. Bad habit. Nightly cleansing balm. Time to wash off that late night swiping. Online shopping? No. Bad habit. All right. Massage directly onto dry skin. Oh, I think this has lavender and stuff in it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's open it up. Oh, well, of course it's sealed. That's good, right? Oh. Oh, that's delightful. So it's nightly cleansing balm. All right, I'm definitely going to have to read the instructions on how to use that. But again, all natural, and I'm not sure who it came from, but I know that I'm helping a good cause. All right. This is beautiful. Oh, it's a makeup. This is kind of funny because I've needed like a new travel bag kind of thing where I can fit stuff all in one little spot right here, you know. This is a nice one too. It's really thick. I think it's washable. Anyway, I was thinking, oh, I was thinking about buying one, and then the All True subscription came through, and I knew that this was one of the choices, and so I didn't have to spend more money than I'd already spent, and I got what I needed, and it's pretty, and it's nice, and it holds lots of stuff, I'm sure. All right, and let's see. Ooh, Lip Whip Trio. I'll be honest, I don't. Oh, I think maybe I'm stressed lately because I don't remember ordering a lot of this stuff. Oh, this is pretty though. Look at how pretty that is. Can you see? And I think they're different. Oh, they are. Oh, they're different colors. I think these are gonna be, oh my. These are gonna be some of my new faves. Yeah. Okay. Lip Whip Trio, and then, oh, this is, and look at how cool the packaging is. It's recyclable. Okay, people in my house might get some of their Christmas gifts in these packages. All right, and then this is the nesting. Oh, I remember these are handmade. They're little, they're wooden. I do remember this. I was excited about this. Look how nice that packaging is. All recyclable. And this, well, I guess this one's compostable anyway. I compost. Oh, you guys, these are beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my. These are gorgeous. Oh yeah. Okay. Everybody needs a little bit of a wood accent in their home. These are beautiful. You can use these for anything. What does this say here? It's from, I don't know how you say that kind of wood, Western India, villages of Uttar Pradesh. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. Many of whom are second and third generation artisans who spent their life around the craft. Each Sembla wood product provides steady employment for these artisans and creates an opportunity for them to hone invaluable woodworking skills. As a handmade product, slight variation should be expected. Oh, they're gorgeous. All right. And look, they even have their cool little maker's mark on the back. Okay. That's it, folks. But spend your dollars wisely. Because you know why? We only get one shot at this deal, right? This ain't no dress rehearsal. Grace and peace.